Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So it's an exciting one because it's new car day. I love new car day. It's one of the best days of the year. So for those that don't know, over the last few weeks I've been searching for a mini Paceman S, Cooper S. So I managed to find one, actually put a deposit down. So I'm after a car that the children can go in because they're starting to enjoy the minis a bit more. And obviously only having 2 seats in the R56, it's pretty useless for trying to sort of get both the children in. So I thought, right, let's get hold of a Paceman. So I managed to put down a deposit on one. Really nice spec, full leather, nav, everything. And probably a touch of fate. So got a phone call the day before I was collecting it to say that the engine was smoking, the timing chain, tension needed, and I pulled out. So they offered me my deposit back and I took it and ran. Maybe it was a bit of a sort of a close call in terms of maybe I need to stick or stay away from the sort of second gen minis, and that's where the new car came in. So I had a sort of a search set up on eBay for salvage minis, and this one popped up at a really good deal down in Bath. So I jumped on the road and went to have a look at it. So here I'll insert a clip now and show you sort of the day that I went down to look at it and then placing a deposit on it. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So if you're seeing this, it's because everything's gone to plan. So last night I was on eBay and had an alert around a search that I've had saved for a while, which is salvage minis, and one has come up down in Bath, so it's a couple of hours away. I'm literally heading down there now to go look at it. If it's as described, I'll be putting a deposit down and getting it collected and dropped back to me. So I'm not going to be able to film too much of actually going and seeing the car. Oscar's going to come with me. Say hello, Oscar.
Hello.
So I'm not going to be able to film too much of actually looking around the car, but as soon as it's with me, obviously you'll see this video and I can sort of give you a bit of a tour. Right, Oscar, should we jump on the road?
Yeah.
Right, say see you later.
Bye.
Well, that's exciting. So I brought the car, so all seems good. I'll give you lots more details when we get back. So I've got to arrange for it to be picked up because at the moment it's not road legal. So I'll give you all the details. Say hello, Sky.
Hi. We've picked her up from dance now.
We have picked her up from dance. So what we'll do now is we'll switch to the clip where the car's being dropped off and we'll give you a bit of a tour. Okay, so I hear you asking what car is it? So I'm going to sort of keep it short and sweet. So it's a Mini F56. So here it is in all its glory. So it's crash damaged, so but that doesn't scare me. Obviously, for anyone that's seen the channel, the BRZ that I had before was a lot worse than sort of the damage on this one. So you can see it there. So it's volcanic orange, it's a Cooper S, so it's got sort of half decent spec interior. So it's got the smaller nav screen, it's got the black headliner, it's got panoramic sunroof, and full sort of leather interior. So it's quite a nice spec to start with, and obviously initial plans is to get it fixed and get it on the road. Then obviously, me being me, I'm not going to stop there. So first lot of it will be let's get it up and on the road. The next bit will be let's get to modifying. But obviously, as you can see, the intercooler is damaged down there, so I think we've got to get a bigger one straight away. So be lots of plans to do with this. At the moment, it doesn't signal the end for the R56. That's not going anywhere. The BRZ is obviously having air fitted now. I'm literally in the middle of that install now. So that's over there in the garage. Just got to tidy up the boot install on that one. But yeah, there's going to be plenty of F56 content to come. So back seats are staying in. I want to try and get hold of a JCW interior. So if anyone's got one for sale, give me a shout in the UK. And I'll certainly probably take that off your hands. So let's just give you a quick walk round, and then in the next video I'll give you a bit more detail. But you can see the damage is obviously all at that front end, and as you come down, this side's really straight. Obviously the wheels and the tyres are damaged, but they won't be staying long. Back end absolutely spotless, so no damage at all to that back end. And as we come round, there is a little bit of damage here by the petrol cap, little dent, but we can sort that out, some sort of paintless dent removal. And then as we come round, you can see there, so this side obviously took less of an impact. I've got the headlight and stuff, and the really good thing is, so when I got the car delivered to me yesterday, it had a boot full of parts. So everything that came off this front end was actually in the boot, which saves a lot of money when it comes to rebuilding everything. So because it's all these little sort of brackets and bolts and clips and everything else that are missing, that's soon add up with the price. So I need to delve into it a little bit deeper, work out what I need and start building up a shopping list. So if you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you get updates on the F56 build and also the R56. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.